Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The first compound is 2-methoxytetrahydrofuran, a cyclic acetyl hemiacetyl methyl ether, and the second compound is 2-hydroxytetrahydrofuran, a cyclic hemiacetyl. Moving on to the next step. 2-hydroxytetrahydrofuran is a cyclic hemiacetyl, meaning it exists in equilibrium with its open chain form, which is 4-hydroxybutanol, an aldehyde. This open chain aldehyde form is available in solution. In contrast, 2-methoxytetrahydrofuran is a full acetyl. Both oxygens are OR groups, which does not readily open to give a free aldehyde under mild conditions. Moving on to the next step. Tollens reagent, ammoniacal silver nitrate, Ag, NH3, 2+, is a mild oxidizing agent that detects aldehydes by oxidizing them to carboxylic acids while reducing Ag+ to Ag0, producing a silver mirror. Since 2-hydroxytetrahydrofuran, cyclic hemiacetyl, is in equilibrium with the free aldehyde, 4-hydroxybutanol, it will give a positive silver mirror test with Tollens reagent. The acetyl, 2-methoxytetrahydrofuran, has no free aldehyde in equilibrium and will not react with Tollens reagent under mild conditions. And for the final step, a 2,4-DNP, Brady reagent, reacts with aldehydes and ketones, carbonyl compounds, but because the hemiacetyl equilibrium provides only a small amount of free aldehyde, DNP is less reliable and specific for distinguishing these two. Moreover, both might appear similar. More importantly, Tollens reagent is the classic, definitive test here. C. Lucas reagent differentiates primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. It does not specifically distinguish a hemiacetyl from an acetyl. D. NiHSO3 reacts with aldehydes and methyl ketones to form bisulfite addition products, but this test is less clean for cyclic hemiacetyls and is not the standard test for distinguishing these two functional groups. Tollens reagent uniquely identifies the cyclic hemiacetyl, 2-hydroxytetrahydrofuran, via the silver mirror reaction, while the acetyl, 2-methoxytetrahydrofuran, gives no reaction, thus differentiating the two compounds. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.